All right, so guys, we are at the foothills of Yerkar, and this is about going to be 20 hairpin bends, as you can see. So we are at one of 20, so just heading to the hotel, which is right up the hill. So it's about shows about 38 minutes, so pulling quite well in the third gear, and I'm able to do fourth as well. And guys, definitely this will not do fifth gear in this roads, and definitely please don't try fifth gear in the Ghat section, because Ghat section is not meant for that. So it's meant for overdrive only. So looks like some toll fee has to be paid.
Double silence. Hey, bullet edukada paara vandi paara eppadi irukudha Honda.
All right, so we paid some toll here, so let's get going from here. So a lot of people come in front of us, and then especially without the mask is quite concerning. They don't realize their safety nor the other safety, so definitely don't want to be spending too much time around such people. Not to be rude to them, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So all right, so a lot of monkeys out here, which is a usual sight at any of the hill stations. So I'm doing third gear at this point in time. Bike is pulling effortlessly, no issues whatsoever. So let's see how the bike performs in the Ghat sections. There's going to be an exclusive review of the bike in the Ghat sections, guys. I'm going to post this separately apart from the overall travelogue what I'm going to put in. So fourth gear, so far so good. I'm just trying to take it easy. It's quite peaceful, fresh and nice here as you get to the hills. Typical of a hill station. So yeah, of course in the turnings you have to downshift. There's no other way about it. You have to do second gear, third gear, no matter which bike. I think you'll anyway have to do that. doing third gear at this point, and got to slow down because you cannot take chances by overtaking in a hill station. All right. Seems to be pulling in the third gear so far. Fourth as well. I'm sure as we get up the hill, naturally we'll have to get down to second and third, is what I'm expecting. Amazing curves, guys. So apart from the, when it comes to breakfast, when it comes to the idli vada, the next thing what I like is the curves. Amazing. I love riding on the curves. So it's 17 kilometers to go. It might take somewhere around, say, maybe 20 minutes or whatever, because we cannot do high speeds here. So tires are quite grippy. So with respect to what I'm feeling in terms of confidence while turning on these curves, the tires seem to be doing a decent job in terms of holding up the road. So quite good. So yeah. Seems to be getting colder as we get up, so slightly. Since it's going to be 10:30 in the morning, so I don't expect it to be so cold either, because it's got nice sunlight and weather looks quite pleasant and not dull, gloomy and cloudy and raining. So that's the worst thing you want on a ride. Wow, I'm loving these curves. Third gear seems to be good so far. I think keeping in one gear is helping in terms of keeping the momentum going. If I'm going to upshift, and then it's going to lose the steam. So I'm not trying to accelerate the bike too hard, guys. I'm just trying to take it easy and see how the bike pulls. And so far so good, doing well. Of course, you have to downshift if you have somebody in front of you. And yes, it does overtake as well, but not advisable, because you never know what's coming from the other side unless you have a vision to the straight road. It will be a good idea to sip some coffee at one of the hairpin bends. So I still have some coffee left in my coffee mug. So, but I need to be a bit careful with our friends right here. So we are right now hairpin bend 2 of 20. Wow, just one. Okay, so we passed about 15 hairpin bends out of 20. So 4 more to go, 5 more to go. So overall, bike handled all of this like a champ, primarily riding in gears between second, third and fourth, occasionally fourth, but primarily it's been second and third, and decent performance on the Ghats section. Bike does have enough torque, guys, as you can see, but you got to be in the right gear. That's the key. Nothing wrong being in second gear in a Ghats section, because these are inclines where you would need to downshift. You would need to go in the lower gears in order to have a better control and good pulling power on a vehicle, any vehicle for that matter. Even the Innova, what is going in front of me, which is a 2.8 liter engine, you must also be going in second or third gear, like how I'm going on the third gear at this point. I don't think he will be going at fourth or fifth gear. So I'll say it's foolish to expect any vehicle to be able to go in the fourth and fifth gear in a Ghats section. So that's something totally irrational if somebody is expecting something like that. So third gear at this point, going comfortably. I can even slot to the fourth, but it doesn't make sense. See, it's going in the fourth as well at 60. So what more do you expect from a bike? Yeah, I think we're at the 17 at this point. So guys, this is how the hairpin bend looks like in the Google Maps. Crazy. Wow, fourth gear. Unbelievable. So it's a hairpin bend, and I was almost at less than 10 kmph, hence shifted to the first. So, but soon after I was able to upshift to the gears like second and third. So yeah, pulling has been decent, and more so I am shifting the gears to get a better control in those hairpin bends, not really because the bike isn't pulling. So when you shift down to a lower gear, you get a better control overall. So it still goes in third. So 19 of 20. So I think we are done, almost last one more, and then we'll be at Yerkar and check into the hotel